Let's dive into a practical scenario where AI can significantly aid in Excel functions. Imagine you're working on a spreadsheet with a list of employees listed containing names, salaries, and cities. Now, consider you have monthly employees and you want to incorporate salaries information from your employee list without manually searching each entry. Specifically, we'll tackle a common issue, incorporating VLOOKUP to find and match salaries data for each name on our monthly employee list. The twist is that not all names on our monthly list are in our employee list. To handle mismatches without errors showing up, we'll need to use the if-error function, ensuring that any missing names simply return not listed instead of an error message. This is where an AI chatbot can be incredibly useful. Instead of spending hours trying to remember or learn how to nest these functions correctly, you can use the chatbot to generate the necessary complex function based on detailed inputs you provide. The key here is in the details, providing as much information as possible to ensure accuracy on the first try. For instance, when setting up our Excel function, here's how you could construct your prompt to the AI. Can you write me a VLOOKUP function with absolute referencing to ensure it works when copied down for my 18 rows of data starting in A3, pulling salaries from a list in column D to F? If a name isn't on the list, return not listed using an if error function. By being this specific, you can help the AI understand exactly what you need, minimizing errors and the need for adjustments. After inputting our detailed prompt into an AI chatbot like ChatGPT, it generates a precise VLOOKUP formula integrated with if error. You can then copy this generated formula directly into your Excel spreadsheet. Applying this formula across your data, you'll see that it efficiently pulls the salaries data for each name, and for those not listed, it displays not listed. However, it's important to review the AI's work. For example, in our scenario, if you notice that the range isn't aligning perfectly, perhaps because the data doesn't start on the first row as the AI assumed, you'll need to tweak the formula slightly. This highlights a valuable learning point. While AI can significantly simplify your Excel tasks, always verify and adjust as necessary based on your specific data layout. In conclusion, integrating AI with Excel can transform how you handle data heavy tasks, especially complex functions. By effectively communicating your needs to the AI, you can harness its capabilities to enhance accuracy and efficiency in your spreadsheets. Remember, the more precise your input, the better the AI's output, and it's going to align with your requirements.
Are you happy with this training? Make sure to subscribe for more great content. Visit the Simon Says It channel, explore our videos and training sessions, and decide what you want to learn next.